percent. We do have a bunch of stocks which are on our radar, none moving as hard as Mobikwik. Hormaz joins in. Hormaz, it's been a big move.
Big move indeed. And after that big move, we are seeing some bit of profit taking at higher levels for Mobikwik in today's session. But the one trend that remains common is the fact that after the 1st of September, we have had almost 1 crore shares plus trade every single day for Mobikwik. And that seems to be continuing in today's session as well, because we have already had more than 80 lakh shares that have already changed hands in today's session. That is well above the 20-day average, of which is around 45 lakh shares at this time of the day. So already moving on high volumes on the downside as well is Mobikwik. And when it comes to delivery volumes as well, even in yesterday's session, we had almost close to 5.5 crore shares that had changed hands, and courtesy of this heightened trading activity since the start of September, more particularly so after the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority exited the stock on the 2nd of September. Since then, the stock has continued to move on either side in very high direction, more so towards the upside. And the 20-day average volume as well now has gone up to almost 1 crore shares now. Even in yesterday's session, close to 40 lakh shares were marked for delivery in comparison to the 20-day average of around 12 lakh shares. And even yesterday, which had very extremely high turnovers as well, close to 1,800 crore rupees, which is almost 70% of Mobikwik's market cap as of yesterday's close, which stood at around 2,500 crores. Despite this 50% move that the stock had seen in the last 6 sessions before today, the stock does move above its IPO price, is around 15 to 16%, but from its post-listing high, which is close to 700 rupees, the stock is still down well over 50%.
Okay, all right, Hormaz, thanks a lot for that. Well, let's